What is going on? My name's Mike with EvolveINK, and look, when it comes to tattoo aftercare, it is extremely hard to keep up with all the different products out there. There's products to help heal your tattoos, make your old tattoos look better, help with de-aging, and so on. Now, I've tried a lot of tattoo aftercare products out there. I've tested them out, and I gotta say that most of them, they're not too good. Most of them suck. But with that said, there are some really good tattoo aftercare products out there that I would highly recommend. I figured in this video, we talk about 5 of the best tattoo aftercare products that you need to try out. Because let's face it, we spend a lot of money on our tattoos, and it's only right to apply the best products out there. And I feel like this list has them on there, so let's just jump right into it. So we're going to be counting down in this video. So starting off at number 5 is the Tattoo Goo Aftercare Lotion. Now, I have talked about Tattoo Goo and their line of products multiple times on this channel, and they're all awesome. I love them all, but the Tattoo Goo Aftercare Lotion is just something special. There are 2 main reasons why I love this product so much. One being how it feels on my skin when I'm applying it to my skin, and 2, the ingredients that are in it. Ingredients like olive oil, sunflower oil, shea butter, just to name a few. Now, not only are these ingredients all natural, but they are key components to making your tattoos pop, look better, and also help with the aging of your tattoo to make them look better longer. And like I said, applying this product to the skin feels really good, at least to me. I'm somebody that has sensitive skin, and this product did not make me break out, which I appreciate. So all natural ingredients, it doesn't make my skin break out, and also it makes my tattoos look awesome. I love this product. Tattoo Goo, you did a great job. All right, so moving on to number 4. This product right here is probably one of my favorite tattoo aftercare products for healing a tattoo, and that is the Herbal Tattoo Salve by Aura. If you are no stranger to the EvolveINK YouTube channel, you know from watching my videos that I am extremely picky when it comes to healing my tattoos. Which reminds me, if you are a stranger to this channel, be sure to subscribe for all your tattoo needs. We love to have you here. But seriously, the way you go about healing a tattoo will determine on how it looks in the long run. Now, I have used this product to heal pretty much my whole black and gray portion of the sleeve, and also my color sleeve up by the bicep. And I gotta say, both times I was blown away with not only how my tattoos looked when they were fully healed, but also on top of that, how fast they healed when using this product. Now, the ingredients in Tattoo Salve are vitamin E and all organic herbs, which are perfect to not only heal your tattoo up nicely, but also really speed up the process, and I absolutely love that about this product. I also really do appreciate the fact that this product, it's not too thick when applying it to the skin. I don't feel like it's gonna suffocate the skin while it's trying to heal, and it doesn't really give off a harsh odor, which I'm not a real big fan of those like products that give off that big stank or just smell weird. I don't know, it's just not me. Now, the only thing that I can honestly say bad about this product is that it is extremely hard to find. Every time I need it and want to go buy it, I can't find it anywhere, even online. I don't know if it's just me, but that's a con for me at least. So moving on to number 3, if you are somebody that deals with itchy tattoos, you need to try the Fisticuffs Tattoo Balm. Now, I am personally not somebody that deals with itchy tattoos when it comes to my tattoos healing. However, when I went to go get both of my inner bicep tattoos done and those suckers were healing, they itched like a... The Fisticuffs Tattoo Balm is packed with pretty much every essential oil that you could find, which in return offers instant relief from swelling and itchiness, which is friggin' awesome, and it works great. Like, seriously, I have personally never used a better product to relieve tattoo itch than the Fisticuffs Tattoo Balm. However, I'm not a huge fan of the texture of this product. Not at all. The best way that I could describe the texture of this product is like applying wet sand to your skin. And also, that reminds me, this product is not the best for sensitive skin. Yes, it does a great job at relieving the itch, but it made my skin break out. But with that said, due to the sheer fact of this product doing such a great job with killing the ever so annoying tattoo itch is why this product has made it onto this list. Next up, listen, if I could use this product on every single one of my tattoos that I get, I would, but the problem is it's just always sold out. I can never find it anywhere, and that product is Redemption Lubricant. This is like an almost all-in-one tattoo aftercare product. The Redemption Tattoo Lubricant is made up with 100% all-natural ingredients. Like seriously, there are 0 lab-made ingredients in this product, and for somebody that's applying it to their skin, I really appreciate that. Organic glycerin, organic rosemary, chamomile extract, beeswax, pretty much all of these ingredients that are in Redemption have so many health benefits to your tattoo and how it heals, and also the longevity of the tattoo, which this product right here is known for. And also I want to add that when applying this product to the skin, it is super soft, and I like that a lot. The only downside that I saw when using this product is that you have to reapply it pretty frequently. Now, combine that with the other problem I had with it where I really couldn't find it that much, and it's a disaster, and that's the only thing I hate about it. I have to apply it a lot, and I can't find it, which for a product that I really love, it hurts my soul. But overall, one of my favorite tattoo aftercare products, hands down. Okay, so before we get into number 1, I have some honorable mentions, and I want to add them into this video because they didn't make it onto the list, but I really do enjoy the products themselves. And that is the Mad Rabbit Tattoo Aftercare Balm and also Hustle Butter Deluxe. Now, don't get me wrong, these are both good products, but the only reason why they did not make it onto this list is because, one, the Mad Rabbit Tattoo Balm, when applying it to the skin, I really didn't like how it feels. And also on top of that, it was really hard to rub it into the skin, and you just feel like it was just something laying on your skin, which I really didn't like it. Your skin doesn't really absorb it that well. And when it comes to Hustle Butter Deluxe, every time I used it, I really broke out. It worked well, but I got a lot of pimples on my tattoo, and I made sure to not use a lot of it to clog my pores. It just didn't work well with my skin, and that's why they did not make it onto this list. Okay, so coming in at number 1 is the Viking Revolution Tattoo Balm. Now, the funny thing is, the Viking Revolution is not a tattoo brand. I think it's like a men's beard brand, but they released this tattoo balm, and I gotta say that this is probably one of my favorite tattoo balms that I've personally ever used, to where I saw the most results. Now, one of the main reasons why I love this product so much is because it's pretty much one of those all-in-one products. Like, you don't have to apply multiple products to make your tattoos look good. You could just apply this one, and I really like that. It does a great job when it comes to moisturizing the skin for a healing tattoo. It helps speed up the tattoo healing process. But my opinion, where this product really shines is when you apply it to already healed tattoos, like your older ones. Not only is it packed with vitamin C, which is great for tattooed skin, but also incorporated into the product, it has UV protection. It makes your tattoos look more vibrant and pop, while at the same time protecting them for the #1 tattoo killer out there, which is the sun. Now, I will say from testing this product and using it a lot, and just being kind of like nerdy when it comes to tattoo aftercare products and knowing a lot about them, I will say that the Viking Revolution's UV protection is not all there. It's there, but it's not that good. I wish it was a little bit better. Now, overall, I absolutely love the Viking Revolution Tattoo Balm. It has quickly become one of my favorite tattoo aftercare products on the market right now. If you want to watch more tattoo related content, be sure to check this playlist out right here. And if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.